Happy New Year, guys. Hi, assalamu alaikum. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends on the time you are watching this video or from where you are watching from. So welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Safi from Kenya, Africa, particularly coastal region. So today I am in the village and I will show you how we make simple breakfast, the donuts. Very easy, very quick. So let me show you. Please subscribe, watch the video till the end. Let's now go to our kitchen and see the ingredients we use. So guys, here we have the self-raising flour. We have eggs, 4 eggs. We have this sugar. We have margarine here. We have baking powder. Then we have milk here. We add milk. Then we have this vanilla essence, vanilla flavor, and we'll be using this to mix. Guys, today I'm in a hurry, so I have to use blender for quick mixing. I'll be using this blender for quick mixing. So let's start. Then I'll add sugar. This is the egg. Then I'll add sugar. I'll add this sugar. Let me add this sugar. There's too many. So I will add small milk here. And add some milk here. So let me blend this. Let me blend this first. Let's go. This is sugar and margarine and milk. So it's enough. Guys, this is the margarine. I am melting it. It's the margarine. So it's enough here. Guys, now this is the flour. I'm adding small baking powder. This is the baking powder. This is the baking powder. I have washed my hands, so it's clean. So now let me add this. Let me add this first. Let me add this margarine. Let me mix it. Because this is it. You mix it like this. Then I add this. I will add this vanilla essence inside here. So it's enough. It's enough. And add milk here. And pour it here. This is the result of the mixing. So we have it here, it's ready. So we leave it here for 5 to 10 minutes. We cover it and we leave it to stand for 5 to 10 minutes. Guys, let's remove the lid and see. So this is our flour. This is our flour, guys. It's ready now. Guys, it's ready. You see, it's ready. So let's cut, and now we are cutting it into small balls. Guys, you see, it has some holes. These holes. Now it's ready. Let's make small balls. This is the balls. Now let me roll them. Let me roll. I'm using this to roll. So I'll take one here and put it here. Look, I'm now rolling it. Let me roll it. Then I'll use this. I don't have that things for cutting donuts, so I'll use this cup like this. That's it. You see? Then I'll use this. That's it. Then I'll remove like this. You see? See it? Then I continue rolling. Guys, I'm not putting the cup down. I'm putting on this. This here. I'm putting it here. So I'll use this. Then this one I'll cut like this. I'll get a shape like this. Guys, it's ready. See, it's ready. Now we heat the oil and start frying. So this is the pan I will be using. This is the pan, is clean. But here outside we usually use firewood for cooking. So today I'll be using gas because I'm in a hurry. I want to go somewhere. So let's start frying. Guys, I'm using the gas. So that's it. add oil. This is the oil I have used previously, so I will be using this oil. I will add oil here. I will add oil here. Let me add this one also. I'm adding oil. So let's wait for the oil to get hot so we can add our donuts. Our oil seems to be ready, so let me add one. Let me put this to see. Guys, it's ready. Let me add. Let me put this. Enough. Let's now fry this. Guys, it's ready now. Let me now remove them. It's ready. Guys, my donut is now ready. This is it. See it. It's very yummy. Let me serve it. I have cut in different shapes. So this is it. And another shape is this. So this is it. Guys, you can keep this for 1 week or even 2 weeks. So this is it. Guys, see it. Very yummy, very yummy. Very yummy, guys. Very yummy. See it, see it. It's very yummy. Let me cut this. Very soft, guys. Very soft. See it. See it, guys. It's very soft. See. Bismillah. Guys, it's very nice. You can serve it with tea like me here, white tea, or you can serve it with black tea or even juice, depending which one you want. So guys, the aroma is on point, and that is so. This is it, guys. So guys, please subscribe, like and share, leave a comment in the comment section, tell a friend to subscribe for more amazing things, and for the returning subscribers, thank you very much. Road to 1000k. Thanks for watching. Bye. Guys, our donut is ready. See it? Ready. It's very yummy, and the aroma is Guys, our donut is ready. See it? Ready. It's very yummy, and the aroma is